Hi, my name is Nada. I've been going to Dr. Wim for the past couple of years. It's always after an injury, such as carrying something really heavy. I've hurt my back, or during exercise, I've hurt my back as well, my lower back. Recently, I've had sciatica, which was extremely painful. I wasn't sleeping all night because of the pain. And just after one session with Dr. Wim, honestly, I was 90% better. It was the first peaceful night that I, could sleep all night long. And I definitely recommend for anyone who's suffering from back pain or sciatica or anything to do with some sort of injury, to your joints, to go and see Dr. Wim. Thank you.